Okay guys, so bought a new battery for the E36 today. It is a Ripco brand battery. In most E36s, the battery is in the trunk or the boot, depending on your country. Most E36s use a lead acid battery. I think all do actually. This one here is a DIN65LMF, 580 cold cranking amps. This is for a 4-cylinder. Don't know if the 6s are the same. Some of these batteries have an indicator on them that shows you the condition, so in this case green is good. Being a lead acid battery, most of these will actually have a venting tube, and that is important because lead acid batteries give off a hydrogen gas which can be explosive, and around wiring and that sort of thing, that's important. Now, in an E36, most would have had a battery changed before, and a lot of the time it's not done right. In these, you'll look and you'll see there's a few rubber grommets and holes. The rubber grommet on the left there is just a blank. The other holes are for the battery tie-down posts. You'll find that the venting hole is actually under here to the left. So that there is where your vent tube should go to. And it's just underneath that support beam between the battery and the spare tyre well. I'm just going to interrupt myself there and show you where that tube actually goes down to. So, on the right hand side of the car, behind the rear wheel, there's actually this little piece of rubber that hangs down, and voila, there's your vent tube.
A few moments later.
And here's how your battery should look once it is fully installed. So you'll have your vent line coming off one side of the battery. The other side on the left there you can see has a red cap on it. Not all batteries are like this, some have different configurations. I've actually gone one step further and I've added a battery maintainer connector kit. So it's just a simple kit that connects to the positive and negative terminals on the battery, and then has this connection here, which will then plug into a charger maintainer. So this battery should stay in good condition for as long as possible. You can see it's already flashing orange/yellow there to tell me that it just needs a quick top up. It's probably just been sitting in the shop for a while. We can grab our tools that we used and we can put the rear lining back down on top of the spare well, and there we go. And don't forget guys, these old batteries are worth something and you can get scrap money for them, $10 to $20 depending on how big they are. Alright guys, peace out.